Cut vinyl tile precisely around toilet flanges and HVAC vents to ensure a clean, safe installation and proper fixture function. Start by measuring twice and planning your cuts before lifting a single tile. If possible, remove the toilet flange or at least unbolt the toilet and slide it aside to get full access. This allows the flange to be reinstalled on top of the finished flooring for a proper seated seal. For HVAC vents, remove the Vent-Grate and use it as a template. But remember, most grates sit on top of the floor, so you will often cut the hole slightly smaller so the grate overlaps the tile. Use a durable template material like cardboard or thin plywood that you can trace directly onto the tile. For irregular shapes, cut the template to fit around the obstruction and refine it in place. When cutting the vinyl, use a sharp utility knife for straight cuts and fine detail snips, or a rotary cutter for curves, keeping blades fresh to avoid ragged edges. After laying the tile and dry fitting around all fixtures, reinstall flange hardware or vent frames so fasteners secure into the subfloor or a blocking strip, and apply appropriate sealant or plumber-approved wax ring to ensure water resistance and an airtight vent connection. 3 common mistakes are cutting too large a hole and leaving gaps, not reinstalling the flange or vent frame at the correct height, and using dull blades that tear the tile. If holes are too large, patch with a small tapered filler strip of matching vinyl or trim the tile edge and add a coordinating trim ring so the gap is sealed and unseen. If the flange or vent frame ends up sitting below the finished surface, remove the fixture and add a thin plywood shim or flooring underlayment strip so the flange or frame rests on top of the completed tile. This keeps seals effective and prevents rocking. If blades are dull, replace them immediately and make multiple light passes rather than forcing a single deep cut to preserve clean edges. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and lets contractors connect with nearby work opportunities related to flooring and fixture services. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, templates, and real-world advice from homeowners and tradespeople to make tricky cutouts and installations simpler for everyone.